Hey guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a very glamorous look. I've got the glamorous hair going on, so I thought it's only right to match it with some glamorous makeup. So we're going to be doing a really nice soft smoky eye with a little bit of copper, a bit of glitter, and paired with a nice glossy nude lip, which is my favourite. Without further ado, I'm going to move on to the next clip, otherwise I'm going to be sitting here yapping forever. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So I've zoomed you guys right in so you can see what I'm doing properly. So I'm taking the colour Zulu from my Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to use that on my crease. So I'm going to take that right from the outer corner right into the inner corner, and I'm placing it just a little bit above my natural crease. Okay, I'm going to get another fluffy brush. This is a Sedona lace brush, and I'm just going to go on the outer corners of the eye just to blow it out a little bit more. Okay, I feel like that's even enough. So now I'm going to take another Sedona lace brush. This is also like a fluffy brush, but this one is a little bit more tapered, so it can get right into the crease of my eye whilst also blending out the colour really nicely. And for my crease, I'm going to use my brown from limited edition MAC palette, but you can use any brown that you desire. I'm going to just basically take it right in my crease. I took it a little bit higher than I was supposed to. I always do that with this eye, I don't know why. So I'm just going to take my 224, I'm just going to blend that out. I love doing a spotlight eye. I feel like it really complements my face a lot. Like a lot. So I'm just doing the same. So I'm literally, you can kind of feel out where your crease is, because you can really literally feel the bone in that area if you lift your eye up. So that's my little trick. And then the same on this side, you can literally feel the socket of your eye. So that's a good indicator that you're placing the eyeshadow in the right place. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to take the colour Casablanca from that same palette. I'm going to spray a bit of setting spray on my brush. This is a really intense, beautiful copper colour. And I'm just going to place that in the middle where I had no product. Doesn't have to be perfect, just roughly in the middle. Now I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the edges with nothing on my brush. So I'm literally just going to lightly blend out the edges of where I placed the copper colour. Just really softly. To create a little bit more pop, I'm going to take my MAC Reflex Glitter in gold, and I'm just going to tap that with my finger on top of the copper. Grabbing my Inglot liner, I'm going to line my eyes. I went a little bit too far with the liner. It wasn't supposed to be this thick. And the brush I'm using is a MAC 209 brush. It's just a little bit thicker than the 210 that I always rave about. I'm going to grab a synthetic brush like this, and I'm going to use this with my brown eyeshadow that I used in my crease, and we're going to smudge the top of that liner just to diffuse it into the eyeshadow. I'm going to take my liner and put it in my waterline. I never used to wear black eyeliner in my waterline, but as of like 2017 I've loved doing it, so definitely going to carry on. And plus it's going to definitely add more drama to the look. Now I'm going to go back into Zulu, the colour that I use as my transition colour, and I'm going to smoke the bottom lash line with Zulu. It's going in my eye. Okay, so I'm going to pop some mascara on. I'm using my In Extreme Dimension by MAC. And I literally like to go right in, like, inside my eye and wiggle the mascara up. This just basically ensures that when you put your lashes on, there's no line of demarcation. And whatever I can't reach with my mascara, I'm going to go in with my liner and draw inside my eye. So for lashes, I'm going to be using my Berry lashes. I'll link them below. And I love these lashes because they're super wispy and super fluffy. I'm going to place the lashes as close to your lash line as possible. Now I'm going to dust away my under eye bake. That literally, that wasn't even baked, that was a cook. It was frying under my eyes. I had that over the longest time. Okay, so I'm going to go in and add some mascara to my bottom lash line, and then we're nearly done with the eyes. I'm going to literally pull my bottom lashes out. This mascara is actually really good. I used to hate when we had to push it at MAC, because I was like, it's just a mascara, like it's not that deep. It's actually really good. I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to pull my lashes together just to make them look a little bit more full on the bottom. Pull together, this one, pull together. You just want to pull the end, just so it doesn't look spidery. Just kind of create like a triangle shape, if that makes sense. So once that's done, these are the eyes. Yeah, so this is how my makeup turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys enjoyed, this is basically what we came up with. If you enjoyed like the talk through bit of the video and you like me talking through it rather than a voiceover, definitely let me know and I'll carry on doing that kind of style instead. And yeah, I think that's everything. I guess I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!